how to lift your table. This table, something we're all familiar with, was designed to be sat at. But when you stand from a table that looks like this to work, you often experience lower back pain and neck strain simply because this table is positioned too low. Well, introducing Lift Your Table folding table risers, and I'm going to show you how easy and fast and safe you can use our risers to lift your work surface to a more ergonomic back safe working height. Let's start with counter height. First, you grab the two risers, you bend with your knees, and you grab the horizontal bar. Lift your table up and install one side, and then repeat. And now we're at a safe counter height work surface. Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall the risers. First, go to one end. You may need to give the riser a little twist and it comes right off. Go to the opposite end and repeat. It's that easy. Now we're going to convert this table to a bar height work surface. Now we're ready to work at bar height, and my back is happy and I'm happy. I'm Bethany Smith, co-founder and CEO. Lift your table and save your back.
Lift your table and save your back.